Looking for the best drawing tablet in 2026? We've rounded up the top 5 best drawing tablets of 2026, featuring excellent options for beginners, digital artists, illustrators, animators, and professionals. From high-resolution pen displays to advanced screenless tablets, these picks offer impressive pen sensitivity, color accuracy, smooth performance, and useful creative controls to help bring your ideas to life.
We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1. Wacom Cintiq 16. The Wacom Cintiq 16 is an excellent drawing tablet for serious digital artists, illustrators, comic creators, animators, and designers. It features a 16-inch 2.5K WQXGA IPS display with a sharp 2560 by 1600 resolution, 99% DCI-P3 and 100% sRGB color coverage, and anti-glare glass for a comfortable drawing experience. Its Wacom Pro Pen 3 provides 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt support for precise, natural strokes. Built-in fold-out legs provide a convenient 20-degree working angle, while USB-C connectivity makes it compatible with supported Windows and Mac computers. Overall, the Cintiq 16 combines a high-quality display, accurate pen performance, and professional-grade features, making it a great choice for artists who want a premium pen display experience. Number 2. HUION Kamvas 22, Gen 3. The HUION Kamvas 22, Gen 3, is a powerful drawing tablet designed for digital artists, illustrators, animators, and designers who want a large, responsive workspace. It features a 21.5-inch 2.5K QHD display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, delivering sharp details and smoother line rendering. Its Pentec 4.0 PW600L stylus provides 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity, plus or minus 60 degrees tilt support, and a battery-free EMR design for precise and natural strokes. The tablet also offers excellent color performance with Delta E 1.2 accuracy, 99% sRGB, 90% Adobe RGB, and 94% Display P3 coverage. Its fully laminated, nano-etched canvas glass 2.0 surface reduces glare while providing a paper-like drawing feel. With an adjustable stand, ambient lighting, HDMI and USB-C connectivity, and compatibility with Windows, Mac OS, and supported Android devices, the Kamvas 22, Gen 3, is an excellent large-screen option for professional-level creative work. Number 3. HUION Kamvas 13, Gen 3. The HUION Kamvas 13, Gen 3, is a compact and versatile drawing tablet that's well-suited for beginners, illustrators, animators, and digital artists who want a portable pen display. It features a 13.3-inch Full HD IPS screen with full lamination and canvas glass 2.0 for reduced glare and a more natural drawing feel. The Pentec 4.0 PW600L pen offers 16,384 pressure levels, plus or minus 60 degrees tilt support, and 3 customizable side buttons for precise control. It also provides 99% sRGB and 99% Rec. .709 coverage, along with factory calibration for accurate colors. For workflow efficiency, the tablet includes 5 programmable shortcut keys and 2 dial controllers, while USB-C and 3-in-1 connectivity support compatible Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Linux systems. At just 865G, it's also easy to carry, making the Kamvas 13, Gen 3, a strong choice for artists who want professional features in a compact design. Number 4. XPPen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2. The XPPen Artist Pro 16, Gen 2, is a high-performance drawing tablet designed for digital artists, illustrators, and designers who want a sharp, responsive pen display. It features a 16-inch 2.5K QHD screen with a 2560 by 1600 resolution, full lamination, and anti-glare etched glass to reduce parallax and provide accurate pen positioning. Its X3 Pro Smart Chip stylus supports up to 16,000 pressure levels, delivering precise and smooth strokes, while the display covers 99% sRGB with delta E less than 2.2 color accuracy. The tablet connects to a computer and supports Windows and Mac OS, with the included 3-in-1 cable making setup straightforward. Overall, it's a strong mid-range option for artists who want high resolution, accurate colors, and advanced pen sensitivity without moving into more expensive professional displays. Number 5. Wacom Intuos Pro Medium. The Wacom Intuos Pro Medium 2026 is a premium screenless drawing tablet designed for professional artists, animators, photographers, video editors, and 3D creators. It comes with the customizable Wacom Pro Pen 3, offering 8,192 pressure levels, plus or minus 60 degrees tilt support, and precise, battery-free tracking. The medium model provides a 10.4 x 5.8 inch active area while keeping a compact 11.5 x 8.1 inch footprint. For productivity, it includes 10 customizable express keys and 2 mechanical dials, making frequently used shortcuts easy to access. It supports both USB and Bluetooth connectivity, works with Windows 10 Plus and Mac OS 13 Plus, and features a slim 4 to 7 mm design. Overall, it's an excellent choice for professionals who prefer drawing directly on a tablet surface while viewing their work on a separate monitor.